All right, back here, Supercar Sunday, Porsche Marque Day. Check it out. Check it out. How cool. Such a great day. Thank you, Porsche Win the Hills, for sponsoring the event. Oh, look at this. Oh, good grief.
It's a one-way road.
What a great day. What a turnout. Hey Scott, hey John.
You think you have one of the coolest cars?
Well, we had to park them together, right? That only made sense.
Beautiful day out here.
All right, Jim. Packed. What a great day. Look at this. Everyone's getting shots of this thing. I don't want to step in your shot. That is so cool. Everybody's loving on this car. So cool. So okay. Packed backpack. What a great morning. That is real paint. It's not a wrap. What a great morning. Porsche Day, Supercar Sunday. You guys see campus. We've got LPD out here, we got the sheriffs. Porsche Win the Hills. Here's another car I love coming in. He's here all the time. I love this blue one. Morning, looking good. I love that car. Morning.
How you doing?
Everything's good. You?
Good. Did you know your website was down for a couple of days?
Yeah, it's back up now.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
They have
That was it. Thank you.
Sure.
Morning.
We shop specifically for them.
What a day. Another great day, Supercar Sunday. I love doing this. I love the people. Oh boy. Oh boy. This club is the club of troublemakers.
Yeah.
The club of troublemakers. How do you guys always get a good spot?
Must know the right side. Hey, look at your favorite.
There's a guy that comes.
Oh, I know.
That's a good spot.
Somebody's getting paid off.
The reason why we get the good spots because we're here early.
Oh, is that it?
That's it.
I love this Mustang.
That's a pretty Ford.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
How are you?
Life's good. You?
Yeah, I can't complain.
Good. Keep it that way. I'll do the same.
I'm going to be 80 in May. I don't have a damn thing.
So you're going to be 80 in May. What's the best advice you could give a young person?
Best advice I can give a young person?
Yeah.
Something my grandmother told me when I was probably 8 years old.
Okay.
Okay, and it's really simple. Everyone in the world has a right to be your friend until they prove they're not. Period.
Got it.
And then meet each day with a smile.
Meet each day with a smile. Love it. Great advice. Hey, how are you?
Good.
How long you been coming to the car show?
Oh, for a long time. Man.
Long time. You got a lot of cars.
A lot of cars.
A lot
That's
of
right.
high horsepower cars.
That's right.
You come with your son?
I drag racing cars.
We
A lot of
have
drag
the
racing.
best people at Supercar Sunday.
That's right.
Come every Sunday with a smile. Amazing
That's right.
cars.
Always smiling. That's
Always
right.
smiling.
Yeah, okay.
Great people out here. What do you say, fellas?
How you doing, man?
Everything's good?
Yeah, how are you?
Life's good. Morning.
Starts to warm up. So you boil all the water.
Another great day.
Nice Mustang.
All right, I'm gonna go back to the Porsche area. Oh boy, there's Jim. Jim's how long you been coming to this car show, Jim?
A million years.
Million year.
I'm back, I'm still old, yeah.
You're usually the first, second, or third person here.
Yes, sir. I don't want to miss a minute. Not 1 minute.
20 plus years he's been coming.
Yes, sir.
What a great day. All right, I'm gonna sign off for a second. I'm gonna go chat a little bit. Love this car.
I worked for the Auto Gallery for quite some time. A while back.
I work for the Auto Gallery a while.
How are you, sir? Good to see
Thank
you.
you guys for being here.
Yeah.
You guys are good?
Yeah. Very good. Thanks for having us out. What a turnout.
You know, I've recorded a lot of things in my life, but I recorded your, was it a Vespa?
Oh yeah, the Zuma.
The Zuma.
50, the Zuma 50, baby.
He saved
We
me.
like the sound.
He saved me. I had to record for a video game.
Yeah.
A little moped.
I'm still waiting for a download for the video game.
It saved me. We got it done. Nice people out here. All right, I'm gonna sign off. My pleasure. I'm gonna park him right here.
Yeah, of course.
This way.
Thank you for the event. Only
Oh,
for 5 minutes. See you soon.
Just straight in, it's fine. We're gonna,
I thought it was Porsche Marque only.
well, they came together.
I'm teasing.
Another day at Supercar Sunday.